what's going on?
Awesome. Hi, how's it going? I'm Adrian from Texas Instruments, and we're here at the Maker Faire booth in New York. And we're here showcasing our Launchpad ecosystem. So Launchpad is our low-cost introduction to microcontroller development. This one's our latest and greatest Launchpad. It's based on our MSP 430 F5529. It's got 128K flash, 10K RAM, 25 megahertz, and also integrated USB. So we can do HID, mass storage class, and also CDC. We've also ported the wiring framework to this piece of hardware. So all of the same function calls that you're familiar with, like pin mode, digital read, digital write, analog read, analog write, you can use that exact same code on this hardware. And probably the most important part is that this Launchpad is only $12.99. It includes everything you need out of the box, comes with a USB cable, so you get a free phone charger out of it. And also it's supported by a growing ecosystem of plug-in modules that we call booster packs. We've got a few booster packs for rechargeable lithium polymer, so you can have a battery pack for this guy. We've got CC3000, which is our popular Wi-Fi module. We've got a booster pack for that as well. And many of these are also very low cost. So many of these booster packs are usually in the $10 to $15 to $20 range. So we're really trying to make this hardware and software as accessible as possible.
That is fantastic. That is fantastic. Where can people go to learn more about all this, all the booster packs?
Yeah, certainly.
Where can they go to learn more?
Yeah, great question. So ti.com/launchpad. That's where you'll find pretty much the bulk of the ecosystem. Energia.nu, that's the software that we're talking about in terms of porting that popular wiring framework, and that's free, open source, and available for download, and supports our Launchpad ecosystem. And then also you can find Launchpads at DigiKey, Mouser, Element 14, and all of our distributor partners.
That's great. So answer a question for me.
Yeah.
Why does TI care so much about the maker market when they've traditionally been like a huge manufacturing supplier?
Yeah, that's a wonderful question. And I think when you look around kind of the event that I'm in, so I'm sorry that you can't see everything happening.
Okay.
But it's pretty obvious, I think, when you come to events like Maker Faire. I mean, we're at a time where makers are becoming manufacturers. And TI wants to help facilitate that migration path as seamlessly as possible. And we can do that with low-cost hardware. We can do that with open-source hardware. And by enabling people to use TI silicon, I think it kind of becomes pretty obvious in terms of why TI is here. We want to really just facilitate this growth and this maturity as people go from maker to manufacturer.
Wow, that is fantastic. Thank you very much, Adrian.
Appreciate it, guys.